Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Cardano ADA. Of course, this is our daily analysis. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of support on all the updates. Continue supporting, and I will continue bringing these updates out for you guys. So, if we're looking at the price of Cardano, let's take a look at what's happening as far as the daily time frame goes. So, we're seeing the entire market, like majority of the coins in the top 100 coins, are seeing a little bit of a retracement once again, and that's of course because Bitcoin dominance is increasing as Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a minor retest, which is causing altcoins to be down, and Cardano is down about 2.4% on the daily time frame. But let's take a closer look as to what is going on, and of course what we could be seeing as we do go into the month of December. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at 37.6 cents. As you can see, we're down about 1.5% in Bitcoin comparative as well. Market cap $13.1 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $239.3 million. So, the buying pressure doesn't seem to be increasing at all. It seems to be pretty much stuck at this $239 million for quite some time. And I do see a lot of people in my comment section talking about this trading volume. And as I've mentioned to you guys every video, this number is not something that you should be worrying about. This will organically shoot up. So that's that. But let's take a further look as to what is going on. I wanted to share something with you guys about an article, and it really goes with something I've been discussing on my channel for quite some time, and we can see this from another person's point of view, so you guys can see this for yourself. ADA sites in demand zone. Cardano was unable to break through the 40 cents barrier, which could have enticed short-term traders to take winnings. Cardano is currently trading in a major demand zone between the 37 to 38 cents, with 166,470 wallets acquiring 4.88 billion Cardano. According to Ali, staying above this zone might open the way for ADA to set new yearly highs. And this is coming from someone else's angle. And if you do follow me on my channel on a day-to-day basis, this is something I've been discussing over and over and over again. The zone, huge barrier, huge roadblock. It's this one right here at 39.5 cents exactly. We did see the price wick above there just a few days back, but since then it's just been continuously trading below this resistance. It's having a hard time pushing towards the upside. But as I've made a comparison yesterday with you guys, I compared Solana charts. We're seeing a very, very similar pattern. With Solana, if you saw, it had significant retest at the resistance as well, and we saw several rejections. And speaking about rejections at the resistance, people tend to lock in their profits, lock in their longs, when they are leverage trading at resistances. So this could also be the major reason as to why we're not seeing this breakout, because this resistance is not small. This resistance is the resistance that we broke out of the last bull cycle, which took the price all the way to its all-time highs, which you can see this for yourself. You cannot make this up. You can see we had two different rejections back at the beginning of January of 2021, two rejections, and then of course in Feb we saw this massive breakout which took the price to Valhalla. So it's no secret at this point that we're finding ourselves stuck at this resistance. But I think the month of December is going to be very exciting. We're going to push towards yearly highs, and I think we will see something that we haven't seen for quite some time. I think it's going to replicate Solana's move. So I do have my eyes on Cardano a lot. So a lot of people talk about Crypto ZX. Where do you see Cardano ranking compared to Solana? I think, in my opinion, Solana is more superior, and the reason as to why I think Solana is more superior is, guys, just look at the ecosystem growth. You can't make that up. Solana's ecosystem is growing at a rate that we have never seen before. This reminds of early ETH beginnings. things. And again, both Cardano and Solana, as I've said to you guys several times, both are competitors with one another. So if they continue developing, continue evolving, you never know. They are right now as well, moving into the future. They're fighting still with one another. But as of now, Solana ecosystem is stronger than Cardano, but that does not mean Cardano's ecosystem should be slept on. There's also making some quite massive moves. So, still going back to this massive resistance, I think there will be in the short term where we will finally see this breakout happen, and we finally hit some yearly highs that we have not seen pretty much since late last year. If we're looking at BTC, seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, which is causing the dominance index to start increasing. And of course, Bitcoin does have momentum right now, which is also a huge reason as to why we're seeing Bitcoin dominance growing. So that's just that for ADA's update. So far, so good. I'm not too worried. I think the time is very near. But let me know down below what you guys think. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.